Welcome back to our channel, where we explore cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping the world. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating realm of financial modeling with a particular focus on the groundbreaking OpenAI financial modeling, or OFM. Join us as we uncover the potential of this revolutionary tool and how it is transforming data-driven decision-making processes. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's establish a foundation. OFM stands for OpenAI Financial Modeling, an advanced software system developed by OpenAI. It leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to analyze complex financial data and generate accurate predictive models. Unlike traditional financial modeling approaches that heavily rely on manual inputs and assumptions, OFM excels at capturing intricate patterns and relationships within vast datasets. It learns from historical data, economic indicators, market trends, and even news sentiment to develop comprehensive financial models. Segment 2. The Power of OFM. The power of OFM lies in its ability to make informed predictions and projections based on an extensive range of financial variables. It enables businesses, investors, and financial institutions to gain valuable insights for decision-making, risk management, portfolio optimization, and more. Whether you're a stock trader aiming to make profitable investments, a CFO optimizing budget allocation, or an economist analyzing macroeconomic trends, OFM equips you with a comprehensive toolkit to make data-driven decisions with increased accuracy and efficiency. Segment 3. Working with OFM. So, how does one use OFM? While the exact implementation may vary depending on the user's requirements, let's explore a general workflow to illustrate the process. Step 1 involves gathering and pre-processing relevant financial data from various sources, such as historical market prices, company financial statements, economic indicators, and news sentiment analysis. In Step 2, the pre-processed data is fed into the OFM software, which employs sophisticated machine learning algorithms to train and optimize the financial models. Once the models are trained, Step 3 involves evaluating their performance, validating the results against historical data, and fine-tuning the models as necessary. In Step 4, the refined models are ready to generate predictions and insights that can drive strategic decision-making, risk assessments, and financial planning. Segment 4. Benefits and limitations. Like any technology, OFM comes with its own set of benefits and limitations. Let's explore them briefly. The benefits of OFM include improved accuracy, faster analysis, enhanced risk management, optimized resource allocation, and the ability to handle large and complex datasets. However, it's important to note that OFM is not a crystal ball. Its accuracy depends on the quality of the data it receives, the assumptions made, and the ever-changing market conditions. Therefore, it should be used as a powerful tool for informed decision-making rather than a definitive solution. And there you have it, the OpenAI Financial Modeling, OFM, revolution. We've explored the capabilities, applications, and limitations of this groundbreaking technology. OFM empowers businesses and individuals alike to navigate the complex world of finance with confidence and agility. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And remember, in this data-driven era, OFM opens up a world of possibilities for informed decision-making. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the future.